KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 34738598080. Let's go. Yo, welcome to my YouTube channel. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean a fuel injector. So this video is know how to take out your fuel injector in any car, how to clean it. That's what I'm going to show you how to clean it, not to show you how to take it out from your car. The cars are different. There are some they are easy to take out, there are some might be a little bit hard. So whatever I'm going to say here is very important. Before you see the video, it's good for you to listen and follow the instruction so that you can be able to do it well. It's just like in life, sometimes, you know, it's happened to me. You buy something, like you need to put it together, the manual is there, we don't read it, we just go ahead and start doing it. After, you know, halfway through it, we get stuck. Then we now refer back to the manual and try to go through it, you know, to put it together. It happened to me when I bought something from IKEA. You know, I was just trying to do it, I can do it, but by the time I get halfway, you know, I couldn't do it. I have to go back to the manual. But in any way, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to clean your fuel injector. This is going to be cheap. Cheap, when I mean cheap, maybe less than $7. So these are the things we're going to need. We're going to need this 9-volt battery. I bought this from, what was that? Dollar Tree. I paid about $3.30 something cents. Then you're gonna have this one too, $1.36. You know. Then you're gonna have a brake cleaner from AutoZone. I don't remember how much I bought this, but everything's gonna be less than $7. Then you're gonna have this. You must have this. I didn't buy this. I had it a long time. I remember when I bought something, it came with it. You have to have this alligator clip. Then your fuel injector. You're going to have that. So once you have all those things, you will be able to clean your fuel injector. So we're going to go through it now. I'm going to bring the video and show you what you have to do, how you have to do it. KG, let's go to the video. Stay tuned. Shout out to Brooklyn. Let's share love in Brooklyn way. All right, good afternoon, KG Auto. Today I'm just going to show you on this video, I'm not going to show you how to take out the fuel injector, but that's what I want to do on this vehicle. It's a 2000 and what again? 2015 is Mitsubishi Outlander. So I already took out the fuel injector, but we want to clean one fuel injector. I just want to show you the easy way to do it, less than I'll say like $6. Let me just say $6. You buy the carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner. You buy that one, then you buy 9-volt battery. I just bought one on Dollar Tree. Then you're gonna have a little, I'm gonna show you the alligator clip that we're gonna use. And I already cleaned it already, but I'm gonna show you in case you want to clean yours, the easy way to do it. You don't have to really buy expensive stuff. Everything will be there for you to do it. So we're gonna go ahead and show you now how to clean the fuel injector. Let's go. KG, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Let's do it. Good. Okay, so now, like I was saying before, this is what you're gonna have. This guy, 9 battery. This guy. You put this guy here, and you put this guy here. Then you're gonna be hearing a little click. You will hear click. Then you have a tip. You tip up this guy. Then you will push this one inside the fuel injector. Then now you will now come here. You put this guy here, just like so. Plug this one inside, just like so. Make sure we get it in. So that's it. Then now when you push this guy here, you see the way it's spraying?
Okay.
That's all we need to show you. Once you can get to this part, you see what I just, well, there's something pull out. Let me see if I can hook it up again. Okay. Sorry about that. Anyway, you guys saw it anyway. So you push it out, you push this one in.
Yes, okay.
That's it. So